Okay, again, this is not a Zoom. This is just the easier way for me to record. This way it's very simple and fast. Okay, so purchase price is this. I got two houses that have two different purchase prices. I want to show you how this works. Also, I want to point out the views. As you see, this is 1.3. This one is 41.9. That means there's a lot of people looking at this. We're calling on this one. This is a perfect example. Not too many people are calling on this. It's 1.3, meaning nobody are really looking at it. And they had a price change. They increased the price 9 out of 10. That's how they get you. A lot of agents do a lot of different tricks. But this video is just about comping. I'm going to show you an easy and quick way to comp. This is my partner's way of comping. So the purchase price, excuse me, you take the purchase price, and this is what you do. So it's 59,900. So we'll put that in here. 59. Let me move this out the way. 59,900. So okay, there we go. So we would do this right here. Excuse me. We would go right here. Say times 20%. So we would put that there. Times 20%. So I want to make sure I did that right. So times 20%. And then it should give us 11K and some change. So 11K 980. So again, this is how you wholesale. Very simple. Didn't take that long. This video won't be very long. I just wanted to be short so you show you guys. So that's the wholesale price at 11K. So let's do this one. So we're going to do this one now. So this one is a different price again. So this one is 350, 350. So I would need to be right in here. This one right here where it says the 300K to 750K, I would need to be in there. So that's 60%. So immediately what I would do is put this 350. What's the purchase price? 350. So solid 350. And make sure, I hate when they don't have the numbers because you got to do that to make sure. Okay, so now you come right here, and then we in this one. So times 60%, times 60%, percent sign, the double check. So 60%. This should be your wholesale fee. So as you can see, your wholesale fee, your wholesale price to the actual homeowner should be 210. It shouldn't be nothing higher than 210. Nothing higher. So immediately, if I'm making an offer, I'm gonna go lower than that 210. Why? Because most homeowners are gonna want to negotiate. You got to learn how to negotiate. You got to learn how to use techniques, strategies, get them to tell you why they are selling it and what is their motivation. As Pace Morby say, what is the bunnies? Find the bunnies. Sometimes it's not even about the price. Sometimes it's not even about the price. It's something totally different. Shout out to Pace Morby. But again, as you can see, this 210, this is where your wholesale offer should be. It's a simple wholesale offer, a way to calculate. Also, I do want to point out, and I know this video will get longer, but I do want to point out the views. This is something you should be targeting. All your VAs, everybody should be targeting low views, prices that's been sitting on the market. Look, 717 days. It's been sitting on the market for a very long time. So that means, guess what? They're motivated. And based off the data, so again, like I said, so look, this is why I say look at the price history. So you can see he's been putting it on the market, taking it off. And I know this video getting long. So okay. So he put it on the market in 2015, listed removed at 250, put it back on the market in 2016. He listed it for 244. Price changed to 240. Listed removed at 240. Listed back on the market at 300K. Listed removed. Put it back on the market for 300K. Listed removed, and then put it back on the market for 350. So he's motivated. He's trying to sell it, but he can't get the price that he wants. Immediately, where my mindset would go is seller financing. One of the reasons why he probably took it off the market, again, I don't know because I'm not doing a deep dive. This is just a simple way to calculate to show you how to comp a property super fast while you're on the phone. But you do a deep dive, see if there's a mortgage on it. This right here won't tell you if it's a mortgage, but PropWire will. There may be a mortgage on it. He may have to get that 250. He may have to get higher than that. It just depends. But this is just a simple video to show you how to comp, show your VAs how to comp. Something simple, easy, and then what type of properties you should be targeting. You know, the view rate. You want to target properties that's been sitting on the MLS for a very long time. Why? Because they're motivated. This is proof that he's motivated. He's been changing his prices every year. He's been going down, going up, going down, going up. And by the way, that's a strategy. It's a strategy because it allows him to be back in the algorithm. So every single time, I don't know if you do this, but you can heart one of these websites. I mean, you can heart one of the properties, and it'll tell you every single time a price changes. That's how people gauge the motivation. But I just wanted to show you that. Again, this video is not to tear you down. It's just to teach you. I want to show you the game. I want to show you what I know. Thank you. Have a nice day.